Today I'm going to introduce Clayton to the great sport of lawnmower racing. Are you ready?
Sort of.
The trick is we will race around the yard in circles, each circle getting a little smaller as we race around the yard. Go ahead and hop on your race vehicle and let me show you how to operate it. Okay, that's your gas. Go ahead and pick it all the way up. Yeah. This pedal here, push on it. Go ahead and drive. Let me check you out. Go ahead and push on the pedal. Let me see you go. Make sure you can drive. Now stop. If you need to stop faster, push this pedal. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you one other feature of the race car. While you're racing, it will pull this button up and you will engage the blades. So while you're racing, you're cutting grass. Alright? Alright, I'll go get on my race car and we'll line them up here in the yard. I'll show you. You ready? Alright, that's what I want to hear. Alright, we're lined up. Go ahead and turn your throttle all the way up. There you go. Pick that button up. There you go. Go! Time to race. I think this is going to work nicely.